Bouclé Silk Airbrush Finishing Powder. Bouclé, not buccal. How official! Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited. We have another launch. If you are new to this channel, new to me, like who is this stunning creature, he, him? I am PatrickStarrr, the founder of One Size. I've been a creator for 13 years, just in case we get the new kids, because, I've been here a little bit of a long time on YouTube. Welcome to my channel and welcome to another launch. I am so excited. We have the brand new product, the Bouclé Silk Airbrush Finishing Powder. You guys, this has been such a dream of mine to launch a baked powder, a finishing powder. You guys know One Size is famous for the ultimate setting powder, for turning up the base, the turn up the base powder foundation. I wanted to create a product like this back in 2018 when I was with MAC. I launched a very large, giant baked highlighter. And also in my summer collection, I wanted to come up with a baked bronzer, but that was not the case. So I think it was meant to be for me to have this in my own brand now. This is very different than what you guys know on the market today. This product is so airbrush, silky, smooth. They are handmade. This product is absolutely stunning. I'm gonna go over all the details. I'm gonna talk about what it is, how you use it, who it's for. Comment down below if you guys are excited, because this is tea, okay? So this is very cute. Oh my gosh, shout out to the influencers in the PR box. You guys, I was like, you know what? Enough of my face. I'm tired of seeing my face in the PR box. I just love supporting these creators. Shout out to these beautiful models and creators. We have Jayla, Kenny, and Bear. Follow them on social media. And thank you guys for participating in this beautiful campaign for our brand new launch. This launch is just so huge for us. So what is the Bouclé Silk Powder? First of all, it looks like silk, wears like skin. With a luxe baked texture, this weightless powder delivers an airbrush silk finish with sheer dimensional coverage to even skin tone and lasts up to 12 hours. Enhanced with vegan silk for a soft focus blur and Bouclé wear technology, this hand-baked formula allows for all-day comfort and performance. And the skin-living formula effortlessly veils imperfection, adds dimensions, and it sets makeup, and it is available in 10 shades. Didn't that sound luxurious to you guys? Like the packaging, the photography, it is so luxurious. Look at the unit carton here. This is what we call the secondary packaging. This is the primary packaging. That's the jargon for being a founder and product development. So starting off with the box, the secondary packaging, you have a beautiful box in the red reflective mylar. And then we have what I like to call this is like the show shade. So when you guys are shopping, all the shades are on the top right here. Guys, look at how easy it is to navigate. I love how you're able to see it not just on the top, but on the front when they're displayed. We started doing this with our ultimate setting powders and our powder foundations and our concealers. I got the inspo from like how lip shade pencils were shown on like boxes, and I think it's really important when you guys are looking for your shade. I will shout out the shades really quick because I am so proud of the shades. Shout out to my team, my product development team, Angie, Alec, Ronnie, and Tony for going to Italy and matching them. These are handmade in Italy. I'm gonna talk about it in a little bit, but the shades are fair, light, medium golden, medium dark, rich medium dark, dark deep, rich dark deep, deepest, and rich deepest. These are very flexible. These are talc free, which is something so different for One Size. There was a trend that happened to coincide with like talc free this, talc free that. You guys know I love my talc. I'm a full coverage girly. So our ultimate setting powder does have talc. Our powder foundation does have talc. This is talc free. This is for the girls that want that minimal kind of beauty makeup. These are flexible. They are buildable coverage, but this is for that beautiful lightweight coverage to set like your skin tints, to set your concealer, or to set your entire makeup for that blurred airbrush, like real skin-like finish. I am wearing it today with just a little bit of Ultimate and a little bit of the powder foundation, but I was wearing this all of like my Disney trip to Orlando, and when I tell you, this literally feels like nothing on the skin. It's so smoothing, it's so silky, it's so blurring. These are just so gorgeous, and I hope you guys are able to try it. Also too, when you guys try it, you guys can see like the shape of like the dome. They're not like perfectly round. How they are made is that they're kind of like frosting, like whipped, and then they're baked in an oven, and then they are pressed into the shape, and then they are set into the compact. This Italian formula, you guys know, if you guys are nerds in cosmetics, Italy is for the baked goods, okay? These are so gorgeous. So not one powder is going to be shaped exactly the same, which I feel like is so luxe for us, which is such a level up to the powder game. So I will say on social media, a lot of the comments and you guys have been saying, is it a finishing powder? Is it a setting powder? This was originally created intentionally to be a finishing powder, but I've seen over the trend in the last like few years, since like the minimal makeup and the light girl makeup and the clean girl makeup, people have been using this as a setting powder to set their concealer. So I will say you guys can use this one of 3 ways, and I've tried all different types of ways, from finishing to setting, and then to finishing. You guys can definitely use this product to set with a concealer. I would just make sure to use a lighter shade. So for my under eyes, I use medium. I blended out my concealer. I use the medium shade with a powder puff, and I set under my eyes. You guys can also use this as a face powder, whether that be after setting your face with a setting powder to just get that color and life and dimension back into your face. And also, this is kind of like a hack. You guys can use this as a bronzer because of the dimensional finish in this. This is more like a skin, like lightweight finishing bronzer. You guys know I am not afraid of being full beat. For me, on a traditional full beat day, I will use a setting powder to bake all over my face, and then a powder foundation, and then use the finishing powder at the end to kind of just give that dimension back in the face. This goes so well with the powder melt glass setting spray, just to melt all the powders into place. But depending on who you are, because I am talking to a lot of people on the internet, it just depends on how you want to use your powders to complement your skin type, your makeup look. So there's like all different types of ways to use the different powders, but just know at One Size, we have something for everybody, okay? We have a finishing powder, setting powder, powder foundation if you want that coverage. With this, what makes this so different than what we have and also what's on the market is that there is a beautiful dimensional finish. Once you feel this like on your skin and also on your hand or even on your face or your under eyes, you guys are gonna notice you can layer this as much as you can. For me, when I was at Disney, I was using this as like a touch-up powder. This is great because powder foundation can add so much coverage that it will literally take away the dimension, and there's talc in it, so you're gonna keep building coverage, building a lot of layers, whereas like this feels so lightweight and airbrush and silky. So in a nutshell, you guys can use both, one or the other. The choice is yours. For those that want the claims and the reviews, 100% agree. The powder provides an instant airbrush effect. The powder visibly evens skin tone. 100% agrees the powder provides a poreless finish. And I think that is very, very cute. If you guys want to get your hands on my favorite product of 2025, the Bouclé Silk Airbrush Finishing Powder, it launches on the Sephora app a day early on September 3 in just a few days. And it is also officially in every single store on September 4. It will be available on Sephora, OneSizeBeauty.com, TikTok Shop, September 4. And if you guys want to be seen, please tag One Size Beauty, hashtag One Size Beauty, tag me. I would love to repost all of your looks. You guys have been showing so much love. Just being out and about, it feels so, so cool when you guys come up to me or take out your products or show them that they're in your bag or that you love the products and that you've repeatedly purchased, like Until Dawn or the Ultimate Setting Powder. I have no doubt that this product is going to be the same as the cult products that you know and love from One Size Beauty. And also hashtag Bouclé Silk Powder. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoy this product. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget makeup is a one size fits all. And I hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye.